A Kataphon battle servitor is a type of heavy battle servitor used by the Battle Congregation military forces of the Adeptus Mechanicus. Though they possess a once human brain like all servitors, the Kataphon battle servitor has been severed from all emotion and independent thought and serves as little more than a living weapon controlled by the orders of the Mechanicus tech priests. They are much larger and more powerful than the standard servitors employed for multiple tasks across the Imperium of Man. There are two variants of the Kataphon battle servitor, normally employed depending on the tactical objective of the controlling tech adepts: the Kataphon Breacher and the Kataphon Destroyer. A tech priest dominus can call upon a body of a battle servitor to protect them in battle. Among the largest and most potent of these living artillery pieces are the Kataphon Breachers. Kataphon Breachers are battle servitors many times the size and power of those used by the rest of the Imperium. Utterly deadly at close quarters, they are not born so much as constructed, but every enhancement geared for maximum lethality. They are easily recognised by their growling motive units, vicious hydraulic pincers and deadly shoulder-mounted cannons. The cyborg horrors known as Kataphon Destroyers exist only to kill. There is perhaps no purer calling in all of the galaxy than that of the living weapon, especially one unsullied by the responsibility of morality, or even thought. All servitors are ultimately only tools wielded by the hand of another, and the Kataphons are no exception. With such a battle servitor is controlled by an adept of the machine god, they become destruction incarnate. While the standard Kataphon Breacher has at least one claw-like arm, the Destroyer has both in its upper limbs replaced by high-wheeled weaponry. On one side it mounts a cannon of advanced design ranging from the heavy phosphor blaster, a weapon that fires white-hot spears that cling burning to the target, to the plasma cauldron. The cannon so volatile, the servitor's own flesh crisps and burns even as his targets are reduced to molten sludge. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.